Alright guys, we're going to be looking at the different parts of a wave. We're specifically going to be looking at the different parts of a transverse wave. So when you have your transverse wave, one part is your crest, and your crest is the highest point of your wave. So we've got a crest, could be labeled here, your crest could be labeled here, or here. So again, your crest is the highest point of a wave. Next you have your trough. Your trough is the lowest point on the wave. So your trough could be labeled here, here, and also here. So trough is the lowest point of a wave. Next one we're going to look at is your wavelength. So your wavelength is exactly how it sounds. It's the length between two waves. So the distance between the two waves. So here is your wavelength. Wavelength can be measured by the distance between two crests, and it can also be measured by the distance between two troughs. So wavelength is distance between crest and crest and trough and trough. Then the last one we're going to talk about is frequency. So your frequency is basically how fast your wave is vibrating. So if we look at this wave versus this wave, the blue wave is going to have a much higher frequency than your green wave. So if you look, it is traveling at a much faster pace. It's vibrating a lot faster than the green wave. So again, to review, your crest is your highest point of a wave. Your trough is the lowest point. Your wavelength is the distance between the two. And then your frequency is how fast your wave is vibrating.